You found Paw Daddy's BlindHawg Barbecue, and today it's all about pulled country ham. Now, pulled ham's quickly becoming a popular upgrade instead of cooking up a spiral sliced ham, and here's how you do it. You want to open it up, dry it off, discard that little plastic disc you find on the bottom, stand it up on a wire rack, start smoking it low and slow at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Probe it up in the thick part so we can track that internal temp. I like to rotate it every 30 to 45 minutes. Now when it hits 150 degrees internal, take it out of your smoker so we can glaze it up, place it on a wire rack, and then put that wire rack on a cookie sheet. Now our glaze consists of 1 part maple syrup, 1 part honey, and 1 part barbecue sauce. Now glaze the ham all the way around. Wrap it up, cookie sheet and all. Cook until that internal temperature is 202 degrees Fahrenheit. Now rest it all the way down to 140 and then shred it or break it down just like I did. Pour on that remaining glaze and now you're in for a real treat. I hope to see you next time at Paw Daddy's BlindHawg Barbecue.